Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that important functions of tuple, right? So in the last session we have discussed that important functions of tuple. So what are the functions those? Length function. Length function means to find the number of elements present inside the tuple and a count. So to return number of occurrences of the given elements in the tuple and index and sorted and what we observed min and max functions and finally we observed that compare function. So compare function is not available in Python 3, only it is available in Python 2. Okay, so this is the agenda we have discussed as part of in the last session. So today we are going to discuss about tuple packing and unpacking. Okay, tuple packing and unpacking. Tuple packing and unpacking. Tuple packing and unpacking. So today we are discussing about tuple packing and unpacking. So first we have to discuss about tuple packing. Okay, first we have to discuss about tuple packing. Tuple packing. So tuple packing is nothing but we can create a tuple by packing a group of variables. Okay, that means we can create a tuple. Okay, we can create a tuple. We can create a tuple by packing a group of variables. Packing a group of variables. Okay, so we can create a tuple by packing a group of variables, right? That means, so how we can pack and unpack, observe with respect to an example now. Mm, so observe here, I have taken one tuple. Okay, I have taken one tuple. What I am doing means, sorry. First of all, I will take variables in the different form. A equal to 10, comma b equal to 20, comma c equal to 30, comma d is equal to 40. Okay, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30, d is equal to 40. So these are the variables I have taken. Now observe here what I am doing. Tuple packing. Okay, tuple packing. That means t is equal to a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, t is equal to a comma b comma c comma d. Right? Right? So a comma b comma c comma d. This is nothing but tuple packing. So now observe here. Result is result of tuple packing. Result of tuple packing is t. Okay, now observe here result of tuple packing and the value and the type also observe. Okay, type. Okay, type is type of t. Type of t. Okay, so if you observe here, this is nothing but t is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and resultance is a tuple. Okay, resultance is nothing but tuple. So this is nothing but first concept with respect to tuple packing. Okay, with respect to tuple packing. Clear? Next. So based on this theory, I will make some based on this practical, I will make some theory. Okay. So observe here. Here first what happening is here a comma b comma c comma d are packed into a tuple. Are packed into a tuple. This is nothing but tuple packing. Okay, this is nothing but tuple packing. So that means That means here four variables are there. So I'm packing into one. This is nothing but tuple packing. So the next thing, tuple unpacking is the reverse process of tuple packing. Okay, here a comma b comma c are packed into a tuple. This is nothing but tuple packing. The same thing is a reverse of tuple unpacking. Tuple unpacking is the reverse of tuple packing. Okay, tuple unpacking. Okay, now what is the result? Tuple unpacking. The result is now tuple unpacking. Now the result is a tuple unpacking. It is the reverse of tuple packing. Tuple packing. Next, we can unpack a tuple and its assign value to different variables. Okay. Second point, we can unpack a tuple. Can unpack a tuple and assign its values to a different variables. Okay, we can unpack a tuple and assign its values to a different variable, right? So how we can do tuple unpacking? Now observe the scene. What I'm doing means here t is equal to I'm taking tuple. Okay, t is equal to I'm taking one tuple. So here what I am doing means these are the four values. Okay, four values for four variables I'm taking. Four variables. That means a comma b comma c comma d is equal to t. That means here how it will happen means observe here how it is happening means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, only five values I have taken, right? So okay, next now t is the this one. So internally t is the value of this one. Now what I am doing with respect to this one here, a comma b comma c, a comma b comma c, a comma b comma c comma d. Next, okay, so here the same result I have wrote in the diagrammatic representation. So how it is going to assign the values means 10 means a, okay, b means this one, c means this one, d means this one, okay. A, so first value first variable, second value second variable, third value third variable, fourth value fourth variable. In that way it is going to consider each and every value. Okay, in that way it is going to consider each and every value, right? So this is nothing but tuple unpacking. So let me write the value here. Value here, a is equal to comma a comma b is equal to comma b, c is equal to comma c, d is equal to comma d. Okay, so now a value will be this one, b value will be this one, c value will be, and d value like this. So that this is nothing but tuple unpacking. Okay, print tuple unpacking, tuple unpacking. So now in this case what might be the value of a type int. So it is unpacking means each and every value it's going to assign the type at dynamically at runtime. So that is nothing but tuple unpacking. Observe the output now. So if you observe here a equal 10, 20, 30, 40, like this is the output we are getting. Okay, this is the output we are getting. And now here example second. So with respect to tuple unpacking, I will raise one thing. Suppose here the values are four available. Okay, here the four values are available. But if I take only the value of d, I mean only three variables I'm taking. So what might be the output in this case means first value okay, second value okay, third value okay, but fourth value there is no variable to assign, so that's why it is going to give error. Okay, it's going to give error, values error, too many values to unpack. Okay, too many values to unpack. Okay, whenever we are learning the subject, make sure we have to learn with the errors, then only you will get the confidence with respect to subject. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Tuple unpacking. Okay, this is nothing but what? Tuple unpacking, right? So finally, with respect to tuple unpacking, what I will give conclusion means at the time of tuple unpacking, number of variables and number of values should be same. Otherwise, we will get a value error. So here we observe, right, at the time of unpacking, the number of values and the number of variables should be same. Okay, at the time of tuple unpacking, at the time of tuple unpacking, at the time of tuple unpacking, the number of variables and number of values at the time of tuple unpacking and number of variables same should be same, otherwise we will get error. Otherwise we will get error. Okay, otherwise we will get error. So this is nothing but tuple packing and unpacking. Okay, there is no any rocket science here, just the values packing into one variable, packed variable making to different variables. That is nothing but tuple packing and unpacking. So okay, so the next thing here I'm going to explain about is the next concept I'm going to explain about tuple comprehension. Okay, next concept is nothing but tuple comprehension. Tuple comprehension. So next thing is tuple comprehension. Here what I am doing means tuple comprehension means in the list comprehension what is the syntax we have taken, the same syntax only here also. That means syntax. Okay, syntax means x is equal to expression for item in sequence. Okay, for item in sequence. Okay, first let me go for example, then you will get clarity. So what I am doing means here t is equal to x, okay, x power 2 I'm taking for x in range of 10, x in range of 10. So here what happening is print, I'm printing t. Okay, print t and printing type of t also. Okay, printing type of t also, both I'm printing. So in this case what happen, what will happen means, observe the output, let me explain. Here generator and next it is printing, it is object. Okay, it is printing and it's giving the generator object. So the thing here is for I in t, for I in t, print of I. If you observe here, these are the things it is became power. Okay, these are the things it became power. Okay, this is nothing but example. Okay, this is nothing but example. And one more thing here. So here it is giving type as generator. Okay, it is giving type as generator but not a tuple. But we are taking the elements in the tuple only. If you observe here, I am taking last in the parenthesis, but it is not considering. Why? Okay, what is the reason? Okay, reason means tuple comprehension. Okay, tuple comprehension is not supported by Python. Okay, not supported by Python. Okay, next. Hence, hence we are not getting. Hence, we are not getting tuple object. Hence, we are not getting tuple object, and we are getting generator object. Hence, we are not getting tuple object, and we are getting generator object. Okay, so this is nothing but tuple comprehension. Tuple comprehension means the elements we are going to consider into tuple. Okay, the elements we are going to consider into tuple. Next thing what happening is tuple comprehension is not supported by Python. Why means it will give generator object. Okay, so next one small program. Okay, one small program. So then we will say that tuple comprehension, I mean tuple data structure is completed. Okay, tuple data structure is completed. So program to take a tuple of numbers from the keyboard and print its sum and average. Sum and average. Program to take tuple of numbers from the keyboard and print its sum and average. Okay, so that means how we can do. How we can do means observe here. First, what I am taking means t is equal to input of, okay, input of enter tuple of numbers. Enter tuple of numbers. Enter tuple of numbers. But can you please confirm if I'm going to give tuple of numbers, is it going to consider a tuple? Okay, if I'm going to give, is it going to consider a tuple? Print type of t. Observe here, I will give tuple of numbers 10, 20, 30, 40. See, observe here, it is considering a string, but I am asking tuple of numbers. So how we can read the tuple of numbers? Okay, how we can read the tuple of numbers means here we have to take one function that is called eval function. Okay, that is called eval function. Eval function is nothing but it's going to read a tuple of numbers. Okay, it's going to read a tuple of numbers. The same example almost I have explained with respect to list comprehension. Okay, for next what I am doing, I want to find a sum and a average, right? So for that what I am taking L is equal to length of t. Okay, L is equal to length of t. Next what I am doing for x in t. For x in t, So for x in t means I want to add the sum. Okay, to add the sum, first we need some variable. Okay, first we need some variable to add that. That's why I'm taking sum is equal to 0. When sum is equal to 0, sum plus is equal to x. Okay, sum plus is equal to x. Make sure it is nothing but compound assignment operator. Okay, compound assignment operator. Okay, if you are not getting this point means make sure you have to watch the operators concept one more time. So normally this is equal to sum is equal to sum plus x. Both are same only. Okay, both are same only. Once it is completed, what I am doing means printing sum. Okay, printing sum. Printing sum. I'm printing first sum. Next print print what I'm doing next thing, average. The average. The average. Average is nothing but what? Sum by L. Okay, sum by L. So observe here. Now I'm running this program. It is asking tuple of numbers. It is asking tuple of number 10 comma 20 comma 40 comma 50. Sum is 150 and average is 30. Average is what? 30. Okay, so this is nothing but this is the way we can find a what program to find a sum and average by giving tuple of numbers. Okay, clear, right? Example. This is nothing but example. So finally this is nothing but tuple data structure. Okay, this is nothing but tuple data structure. In the next session I'm going to start about set data structure. Okay, in the next session I'm going to start about set data structure. Clear, right? So up to now, if you are having any questions, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you.